Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb, and in this video, you're going to learn how to supply a Base64 encoded user data script to an EC2 instance using a CloudFormation template. Let's get into it. Let's start by navigating to the CloudFormation service, then click on Create Stack with New Resources. Here, I'm going to upload a template file called EC2.yaml. In this file, I'm starting with the resources section, where the first resource is called web server instance, which is of the type EC2. Under properties, I have availability zone, IAM instance profile, and image ID defined.
Attention!
For security group IDs, I'm using the ref function to refer to the web server security group, which is defined later in the same template. On line 10 and 11, I'm defining the instance type and tags. On line 14, I'm defining the user data and passing it to the Base64 function.
That's what I'm talking about!
Here, I'm first installing the HTTPD web server, then starting and enabling it. On line 20, I'm grabbing the availability zone metadata and writing it to the index.html file. Finally, on line 22, I'm specifying the web server security group resource, which is of the type EC2 security group.
Company, halt!
On line 26, I'm specifying the security group ingress rule to enable HTTP access via port 80 from anywhere. Let's finish uploading this file, then click Next and give your stack a name. Hit Next, then review your stack options, stack configuration, then hit Submit. Your stack should now be in Create in Progress status. Give it a few minutes, and your stack should eventually change to create_complete status. Navigate to the Resources tab, then click on the physical ID for your web server instance. Confirm that your EC2 instance is indeed up and running. Let's copy the IPv4 address and paste it in a web browser. Type http:// in front of it so we can access it using port 80. Hit enter and you should see the availability zone metadata as the browser output. This confirms that the HTTPD web server commands that we supplied as part of the user data in our CloudFormation template were successfully executed. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.